and welcome to BioStock Studio, where today we are joined by AcouSort and CEO Torsten Freltoft, who is here to tell us more about the company. Welcome, Torsten.
Thank you very much.
So, AcouSort, you're active within, or you're targeting new markets within point-of-care testing and advanced cell therapies. Mm-hmm. Could you tell us a little bit about the dynamics of these markets and where you fit into the, through the value chain?
Yeah, absolutely. We are basically riding on two mega trends within these two areas. For point-of-care testing, it is in itself a mega trend to move diagnostic tests away from the central laboratories and closer to the patient. This is not really possible today because of the rather complicated sample preparation required. But that's where AcouSort comes in with its automated sample preparation solutions. And in the same way, for cell therapies, there is an explosion of new cell therapies targeting especially cancer. And these cell therapies are today very expensive and also quite elaborate. And in order to streamline these, there is a trend to try and automate the processes involved in these cell therapies. And that's again where AcouSort comes in and provides the automated sample preparation or processing tools required.
So a thing that strikes me then is that it must be quite difficult as a smaller company to navigate these very large markets. Mm-hmm. How do you work with partnerships, collaborations?
Yes, I mean, we are born out of Lund University, and here we are just used to have academic collaborations. So we're kind of born into having a lot of academic collaboration, research collaborations. And we have those for two reasons. One, of course, is that we want to push the boundaries of what our technology can actually do as much as possible. And secondly, also, these collaborations helps us to establish our technology as like the golden standard for automated sample preparation. But the most important of our collaborations are the partnerships we have with life science companies where we help them implement or integrate our technology into their next generations of either cell therapeutic instrumentation or diagnostic instruments.
So that sounds all really interesting. So then I wonder how far you are in the partnering process, or to put it another way, when will we see your products in the clinic?
For the diagnostic area, we are actually already very far. Our first partner in this field already received their 510K FDA approval this fall. So we hope to see their product with our technology inside already here in some few months. For the therapeutic system, the timeline is a bit longer. Those are quite new types of systems, but we hope to see our technology inside their systems for testing in a couple of years and for real patient samples in 3 to 4 years.
So let's end on the financial side of things. You recently released your Q3 report and you've announced a rights issue of about 25 million. How far will this money take you?
As we have announced now in our Q3 report, our revenues are steadily increasing. We have a year-on-year increase of 60% for the first 3 quarters. This extra revenue will help us increase our activity level without increasing the burn rate, net burn rate. So taking this into account, the new rights issue should take us a couple of years down the road towards the end of 2025. So if anyone would like to participate in our journey, please reach out to your bank or check out our homepage. There's a really good chance to participate in this rights issue, also for people who are not already shareholders.
Thank you so much for taking the time, Torsten.
You're welcome.